Use the right buying from 1688 procedures. In this episode, I will show you how to avoid product defects when buying from 1688. Usually we have some suggestions. Don't choose cheapest products. When you buy from 1688, you have to be very careful to sell on Amazon store. At least 5 to 10 suppliers are quoted, and their prices are usually different. You may be inclined to choose the cheapest supplier to maximize your profits. Unfortunately, this is a common mistake made by new Amazon sellers. They choose the cheapest supplier, and in the end, there is a high probability that they will get low quality products. Why can some 1688 suppliers give you a low price? This is usually at the expense of product quality. It may be that the supplier uses inferior materials, cheap labor, and outdated equipment to be able to give you such a low price. Although the cost is low in the short term, the final product's quality is deficient, and the cost will be much higher in the long run. Buying samples first. During the buy from 1688 sampling process, it is necessary to ensure that the final production unit samples are received. Usually, the supplier promises to solve any minor problems during the production process. Don't you believe it? To ensure that the final sample must be a complete version, prepare specific requirement. A detailed description of the product can be added to ensure that a single contract. This kind you can put all the details requested in writing technology, clear just in case. Be as specific and detailed as possible, including all dimensions and dimensions. Materials used, the weight of the item, function, material description, function description, etc. The more detailed the description, the greater the chance of winning any disputes about product quality. At the same time, it should be shown to the supplier that product quality is your primary consideration and that you do not accept anything defective. This will put additional pressure on them, forcing them to get things done right from the start. To quality control, the next important step is when your product is manufactured to prevent receiving defective items. Arranging the pre-shipment inspection while the goods are still at the Chinese manufacturer is necessary. Inspection is the only way to check the quality of the product, and it is also the only way for your suppliers to solve any problems, because they will want to get remaining payment from you. Choose safe payment method. Currently 1688 does not directly accept payments from overseas buyers. However, there are 3 main ways to pay for orders on 1688.